Want to do a quick review for you guys today of the tuners that are going in all of my guitars moving forward. Ratio tuners by Graphtech are what I'm using in all of my guitars. I love the feel and the technology that's in here. Each of these tuners has a different gear, so your high E versus your low E has a different gear. As you're tuning this up, you'll get the same feel between each string. So you're not cranking on one and not cranking on the other. You can get really precise tunings from these tuners. They install really easy on the 6 line. They also come with mounting plates depending on what you want to put these in. So they have different vintage style or modern style depending on the guitar that you're putting these in. These come in different colors. They also have different buttons. They have classic, they have vintage, contemporary, mini, just depending on what you're looking for. They also have some open back tuners which are pretty cool looking. I get them in builder's packs. This is what the retail packaging looks like. The builder packs don't have any of the consumer material. I get these awesome hang tags that I put on my Jack Daniels guitars. But these, to me, are the best tuners in the market. I love the different feel between the strings. And as I've gone through about 40 packs of these now, every tuner is exactly the same. They all feel so smooth and they tune up the guitars really nicely. So all of my tuners moving forward are from Graphtech. Ratio tuners. I've actually been buying a ton of Graphtech parts from them. Really happy with their love it or return it guarantee. Not a lot of companies are doing that these days. You can see, register the product, fill out the warranty, and then you've got, what was it, 45 days? It says it here. 45-day ironclad guaranteed. Love it or return it. Installing these is relatively easy. For the 6 line, they've got 2 nibs. You line them up, push them down, and then you come back with a drill and drill them out. For me, I do a ton of these, so I built a little template. Got my 10mm pins. Drop these in. I've learned how to make this stuff go significantly faster. This is a white oak guitar neck for the Jack Daniels. It's actually figured white oak. I age it and then I stain it and seal it. This one's ready for the next guitar. I put my template in. I have my drill bit set up and I know how far I need to go in. I come in. Drill down just like that. We'll go through the other 6 here. Clean those out. Line these up 1 through 6. This is 2. 5, 4. Get that last one out. Number 3. Push these in. Pop out the hardware. Hardware, as my Chicago accent would say. Graphtech has a patent on these, so you know they're legit. Drop these in. One of the smarter things I've done has been investing in specific size wrenches. 10mm nut wrench. Go ahead and tighten these on. There we go. They're in. What I'll do is I'll line these up. I'll eyeball them. Come back and begin to tighten them down. so they don't twist. That's it. They're installed, easy to install. Love the way they feel. You start with 1 going down to 6. If you have a 3x3 set, 1 through 6. We'll put a sweet little hangy tag on here as we get ready to get this out the door. I buy the locking ones since I'm using a Bigsby on all the Jack Daniels guitars. The locking one doesn't allow for any movement, which is a really nice feature. Love this feature that came out, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago. But really helps in terms of tuning and stability with the string as you're playing with it. So, like I said, Ratio by Graphtech are on all of my guitars these days. Really happy with the tuners. Love the quality of them, love the feel. Graphtech does give builders discounts, so if you guys are building 10 or more guitars a year, reach out to Gary at Graphtech. I'll put his email in below. He actually reached out to me, so I have a sweet spot for them, and it's worked out really well in terms of getting Jack Daniels guitars, better quality materials, better pricing. That is Ratio Tuners by Graphtech. Email below for builders packs. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video.